Welcome! In front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First, we need to open the Contacts app application. To do it, you can swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then tap on the Contacts icon. Here we have the Contacts application. Now, let's tap on the menu icon right here to open the menu. Oh, my bad, the icon, like that. Then tap on the Settings icon to open the settings. And in Settings, you should see the Import option right here in the Manage Contacts category. Tap on it. Select the SIM card, of course, because we want to copy the contacts from the SIM card. Then tap on OK. And now you should see the list of contacts saved on your SIM card, and you can check the boxes next to them or uncheck them to select the contacts you want to copy. So for example, I'm gonna select only 2 and then tap on Import button to copy them to my phone. As you can see, it says 2 SIM contacts imported. So let's go back to the contacts, and as you can see here we have it. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.